Joke-joke muna tayo mga ka-volunteer. May isang hapon na sumakay sa isang taxi. Nung habang naglalakbay na sila, papuntang airport, nung nasa Makati na, nakita nung hapon yung isang building. Sabi nung hapon, how long they make it? Sabi nung Pinoy, only 1 year. Sabi niya, not good. In Japan, only 6 months. Maya-maya, nakita yung mall. Wow, very nice mall. How many years make it? Sabi niya, only 1 year. Sabi, not good. In Japan, only 6 months. Inis na yung driver. Nung dumating na sila sa airport, we are here now, sir. How much? 1,000. What? Very expensive. Pinakita ngayon ng Pinoy yung metro. Do you see this, sir? This is made in Japan. Very fast. Joke lang po, joke lang.